Radio City Center Stage.
रेडियो सिटी 91.1 से यूवी नाम है मेरा एंड वेलकम टू रेडियो सिटी सेंटर स्टेज, जहां पर हम इंडस्ट्री के इन्फ्लुएंशियल लीडर्स के साथ आपकी मुलाकात कराते हैं. बट दिस हैपेंस बियॉन्ड द कैबिन. और आज जो मेरे गेस्ट हैं, वी आर सो प्लीज्ड एंड सो ऑनर्ड टू हैव मिस्टर नवीन मुंजाल, द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर फॉर हीरो इलेक्ट्रिक. सर, वेलकम टू रेडियो सिटी सेंटर स्टेज. कैसे हैं आप? हाउ आर यू?
Thank you. You'll be pleasure to be here today. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. I'm good.
आज फ्राइडे का दिन है, हम फ्राइडे को बात कर रहे हैं. हम कॉर्पोरेट वाले लोग समझते हैं फ्राइडे के ऊपर कितना भार होता है पूरे हफ्ते का. Are you also someone who looks forward to a nice Friday evening or Friday as the date of the week?
देखो, पहले जो था, पहले अगर हम BC कहे और AC कहे, बिफोर कोरोना और आफ्टर कोरोना, पहले होता था कि यूज्ड टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू द वीकेंड. अब तो वीकेंड्स ही नहीं है, अब तो पूरा हफ्ता काम कर रहे हैं. अब इनफैक्ट कल भी मेरी मीटिंग्स है, 15 अगस्त को भी मीटिंग्स है मेरी ऑनलाइन. अब जब से डिजिटल इकोनॉमी में आए हैं, अब तो सुबह से रात तक यही काम करते रहते हैं हम.
वैसे बिफोर कोरोना मैं जानना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि हम जो लोग हैं, कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा डेवलप हुआ है कि सारा हफ्ते का भार, बोझ, पार्टी करेंगे, वी लूजन अप एंड जस्ट अनस्क्रू आवरसेल्व्स, सब फ्राइडे पे होता है. As bosses of the top level, you don't have the liberty to celebrate on a Monday or just have a good time on a Wednesday? आपके साथ कैसा होता है? This is my first question actually.
देखो, हमारा भी सिमिलर ही है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सबका सेम है. वो फ्राइडे को वी ऑल्सो लुक फॉरवर्ड टू फ्राइडे कि जाके वीकेंड. अब थोड़ा सा सैटरडे हमारा वर्किंग है, बट नेवरदलेस इट्स स्लाइटली लाइटर, थोड़ा सा काम होता है. एंड संडे तो ऑफ कोर्स इज द टाइम टू रिलैक्स, बट काफी हमारा काम संडे को भी होता था पहले भी. So, even now, actually, so I really do look forward to the weekends because that's when the kids are free.
Right.
Yeah, so you'll get to spend more time with them, etc. Board games खेलेंगे, pool खेलेंगे, whatever. So yes, absolutely. Friday is a time when or a weekend is a time when you really look forward to relaxing.
Super. Sir, कोरोना, कोविड, लॉकडाउन ऑन ऑफ होता है, 4 दिन नहीं होता है, उसके बाद बहुत सारे प्रिकॉशंस हैं, द मास्क एंड द सैनिटाइजेशन कल्चर, सब कुछ हो गया. आप आई एम श्योर बिजनेस को चैलेंजेस बहुत होते होंगे, बट इस टाइम पे आप स्टाफ को कैसे मोटिवेट करते हो? बिकॉज देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन वी लुक टू आवर बॉसेस, जब बिजनेस इतना चैलेंज हो गया है, बिजनेस लेके आना एक्सेट्रा, हाउ डू यू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू, मतलब ऑब्वियसली चैलेंजेस जहां होते हैं अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी होती है, बट हाउ हैज कोविड बीन फॉर यू टू पुल योर स्टाफ और इंस्पायर योर स्टाफ अप?
देखो, इट्स नॉट बीन इजी फॉर एनीबडी. I mean, and it's not just at a national scale. I mean, this is at a global scale. Nobody's had it easy for them. No employers, no employees, no entrepreneurs, anybody. I mean, no matter what job you're working in, everything got affected. So when this whole COVID thing began, 25th of March ko jab shuru hua, so the first thing, and hamare liye to, I was with my family and a lot of us were with the family, so it's much easier. But a lot of our youngsters, a young company hai, a lot of our youngsters were stuck in locations outside, I mean, in different towns, in remote towns, in remote locations.
Right.
And also without their family being there. So agar wo 1 or 2 room mein agar phase hue hain wahan pe, it's very difficult for them to actually be motivated, for them to think positive, because you don't know. It's so much, initially when we started off phase 1, there was so much of uncertainty. ये कब खत्म होएगा, क्या होएगा, वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टू कम टू एन एंड, पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट डूम्सडे सिनेरियोज, ये वो, फ्लाइट्स बंद हो गई, कभी सुना ही नहीं. So the first thing that we started doing actually is training up all the staff or the employees that we have. So the whole concept was that we wanted to talk to them about the positivity. और वो तभी when you engage them. So हमारा सारे staff को we started training them up in, चलो ठीक है, अच्छा marketing में training करो, Microsoft Word को use करना training करो, Excel कैसे, PowerPoint presentation कैसे करते हैं. हमने in first 2 months alone 2,500 modules of training कर दी थे.
Wow.
Then we started parallelly also yoga. So जो बैठे, अब exercise तो हो नहीं रही, अब निकल नहीं रहे हो, तो we had a yoga instructor from internal company में से. So he started taking online yoga classes. Then we started doing music classes. हमारे कई hobby clubs हैं पहले से चल रहे जो. We started also getting the people involved in the hobby clubs. Singing competitions हो रहे थे, कभी वो drawing competitions हो रहे हैं. So just keep people engaged. It was not easy, but at the same time, the whole team got engaged. Also, what happened is कि अब पहले हम जब करते थे, there was a lot of empathy came into the picture. Because now the first question you ask is, अच्छा क्या हाल चाल है, सब ठीक है, घर पे ठीक है, फैमिली ठीक है. वो कहता है कि कोई कहता है कि कोई बीमार है, अच्छा मैं हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ. So now suddenly with video, with the Zoom that we were using or with all the technology we were using, there was a face to a name. कई लोग तो पहले नहीं थे, कई लोग तो मेल्स भेज के सारा वो हो रहा था, या फोन उठा के तुमने काम क्यों नहीं किया. Now suddenly there is a lot more pleasantness which exists in the whole system. So I think we've done pretty well. Also because I would say across the organization हमने negative कभी नहीं बोला. We were always talking positive. Even when this whole thing began, we didn't know कि आगे क्या होएगा. Even from a senior management, the instructions were please talk positive. किसी को नहीं पता कि आगे क्या होएगा. But talking negative or being negative and negative spiral में, it's not going to help anybody. Nobody's going to benefit out of it. So let's talk positive. And we did the same thing with our dealers. We did the same thing with our customers. हमने तो in fact online promotions किए कई. We were able to generate a substantial amount of volume in that. We've got about 50,000 inquiries which we are sitting on. Hamara dealer network pura charge ho gaya. They're excited. So we've got them online, offline. It's not online versus offline. It's now for us, it's online and offline together. So dealers are creating their own websites. They're creating their own Instagram pages. They're reaching out to customers using digital platforms, jo ki pehle kabhi nahi use karte the. So I think it's been a great learning. It's been a great eye-opener. It's been a great experience for all of us, including, there's been so many learning experiences that we've had. Koi bimar pada, kisi ke, how the other people in the organization, took over his role, his responsibilities.
It's more of a family and it now comes together in such situations.
Absolutely. And also we've been doing, so every fortnight we've been doing a town hall with all our employees. And we tell them everything, the way it is. Ki ye problems hai, ye this thing. And also I make it a point to talk to them about some positive stories. Different stories pick karte hain of how people have struggled in the past. So we are not alone. How people have struggled, how they've come out of it. Even using samples out of our scriptures. The biggest and the best scripture that you can possibly use for giving examples in a business scenario is actually from the Mahabharata.
Right.
So I think, we've done wonders with that.
Fantastic. So basically, Radio City Center Stage is everything but beyond the cabin. So business ko yahan chhod ke I'll move over. मैं notice कर रहा हूँ, is this how you dress up on a Monday also? मुझे लगा था you all will be all suited and decked up, but then I realized it's a Friday. Is this a Friday code at the organization or is it anywhere?
No, surprisingly, and this is not just post-COVID, but मैं पहले से I've begun to actually dress very casually. So this is my... Okay, I may not wear a t-shirt to a conference, but I tell them I don't wear, even to, no matter how serious a conference, I tie nahi pehanta. I go in denim when I wear it. And so in fact, at one of the conferences, piche wo kehte ki, and everybody was in a suit, and because formal conference and bankers se wahan pe, and different dignitaries se, and sabne ties pehni hui, and main wahan pe denims mein hu, but I was wearing a jacket, a coat, of course. And we love how you dress down. I said, no, this is not dressing down. This is, I'm dressing as much as I dress every day. I'm not making an effort. But I think in the last number of years, in my dress sense, I've eased up a little bit. So I'm formally नहीं करता. I don't like to dress that formally.
Sir, क्योंकि हमारी image, when we talk about the corporate bosses and the industry leaders, when we see them on the television screens and everything, is like he will match his tie with his maybe handcuffs, and maybe he'll have a nice pair of suit, tuxedo or something, and then walk into an interview, and that aura is created. और मैं मुझे लगा मैं आपसे पूछ ही लेता हूँ कि ये वहीं पर दिखता है कि ऐसे ही होता है?
नहीं ऐसे ही होता है. I am very casual. In fact, हमारा office में the whole environment is pretty casual now. Right. And a lot of people that when you come even during the week, you'll find them wearing a polo t-shirt with a Hero Electrica badge on it. So we've dressed down a little bit. We wanted to do away with this really stoogey corporate culture. Thoda sa, it's okay to dress down a little bit. That's fine.
Super. Sir, lockdown 5 months. I think ये question सब पूछते ही हैं वैसे तो. कुछ ना कुछ सबने नया किया है. In these 5 months, have you stepped in the kitchen, tried something new? Something that is absolutely not what you've absolutely ever tried in your life. कुछ ऐसा किया है?
See, kitchen में बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं किया है. I mean, just minimal. But I've also been extremely busy. तो मैंने online courses काफी किए. तो मैंने पहले start किया. Actually, I was always wanted to learn the guitar. So I don't not मेरी गिटार पीछे पड़ी है, but ऐसी पड़ी है. Because in the few days of lockdown, मैं गिटार बजाना शुरू किया और उसकी string टूट गए 2. अब वो लॉकडाउन के टाइम स्प्रिंग कहाँ से आए? I had to pull a lot of strings, call a lot of people and say, "कभी string है आपके पास?" तो किसी के घर बेच के किसी से string मंगवाए पहले तो. So I started learning online guitar, how to play the guitar online. But wasn't very successful with that because अब पहले जब अगर बचपन में सीखा हुआ वो स्क्रिप्ट अब नहीं पढ़ना सीखना is a very tough one. And I realized that I would rather do this in person with somebody than do it online. So मैंने ऐसे कई courses online काफी किए हैं. In fact मैं अभी भी कर रहा हूँ. And I'm thoroughly into those actually.
Sir, एक चीज मैंने पढ़ी थी. There's a piece of article about 4-5 years back that you are a great lover of photography.
Yes.
और एक ऐसा कोट है जहां पर जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपको अपना कैमरा ऑफ ही नहीं करना चाहिए कभी. You never know when there's a good clip. This is a little thing that I noticed in an article, and they quoted you saying that. So, how did photography come to you, or how did you reach photography?
See, photography, actually, I've always been interested. I've always enjoyed the art of photography. उसमें क्या होता था कि पहले when you would go on a holiday, you just take your camera and you go cut pictures आपने ले ली.
जी.
A number of years back, I went to learn photography. I've never learned photography, but I went to learn photography from this guy called Jay Massell. So he's like 93 years old, one of the top gurus of photography, one of probably the top 10 people in photography around the world. So I went to learn photography from him in New York. So वो हफ्ता मैं वहाँ पे रहा था. That week, I don't think I slept because I was shooting till about 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night. And then I was getting up at 4 o'clock 5 o'clock in the morning in New York to go and shoot. New York's such a vibrant city, you could never sleep.
Yes.
And if the city wasn't sleeping, how the hell could I sleep? So
right.
I really, took lots of pictures. In fact, उसमें से कई तो मैंने अभी तक process भी नहीं की in so many years. And he criticized us like crazy. He was extremely critical. Because at that age, at that stature, at that you've shot Miles Davis, you've shot Marilyn Monroe, you're coming from that caliber photographer, and to learn from somebody like that. So I understood the concepts of photography, not so much about the technology part of it, but what you're seeing with your eye. Right. And one of the things that and which I've learned from him, was never step out without a camera. So whenever we are traveling abroad, hum ja rahe hote hain, and this has become a great joke also at times. So I have always got a camera slung across my shoulder. Always. I've gone into formal meetings with a camera strung across. So ek main aise Netherlands mein meeting mein gaya tha with bankers, with formal bankers. And again, I was dressed casually. So I was wearing my denims and I had a coat and I had a camera. So I walked into the meeting and there are 4 bankers sitting there with ties and everything. And they said, we didn't know that there was a photo shoot today. I said, there is now. So, one of them then insisted on going outside with me and getting some pictures taken, and they came out beautifully. So it's sometimes it's a great conversation buster also.
Are you also a photographer for your family, sir? जब आप family trips के लिए जाते हो, are you the one, the kids and everyone, the family, आप करोगे photography?
I am this thing. I love taking photographs. So other times I drift off. तो मैं उनको बोलता हूँ if we get lost, which means if I get lost, I'll see you at this cafe at so much time. Because जब हम चल रहे होते हैं इकट्ठे in any city, I find a subject, and I love street photography. So I find a subject and I wander off without realizing that my family was with me and they are there. Because that's my sense of मेरी बात किसी से and then so I just wander off and I take all the pictures. But the kids always know कि पापा ने pictures ले ली हैं, but वो देखने को कब मिलेंगी we don't know. Because I've got processing still to do. So this is something I thoroughly enjoy. I love it. In fact, I was talking to somebody earlier and talking about meditation. And so I said, okay, so what is meditation for you? So, meditation is when you shut down your mind, right? So आपका mind में कोई thoughts नहीं आ रहे आपका. So I said, but यार जब मैं photo ले रहा हूँ, I'm doing the same thing because I'm just focused on that one particular subject, on that street, on that particular moment. Is that meditation? He said, yeah, it's a form of meditation. So if you look at it from that perspective, it's such a great stress buster. We've got all stress.
What's that one city, sir, that you go back to or you want to go back to shoot? Which, because आपको street photography पसंद है, I'm guessing a country maybe in Europe. I'm just guessing for them.
No, not really. Japan.
अच्छा, okay. ठीक है.
So Japan, Korea. I love this whole Orient culture. Because I love this whole the dynamism of the city. I love the hierarchy in the city. I love this whole discipline that exists there when you're walking. My absolute favorite city to go is Kyoto, actually.
Acha.
One of the oldest cities in the world, one of the most distinct traditional. And I've been lucky enough to be there, even when it was cherry blossom time, Sakura time, jab white flowers nikalte, in the most beautiful time of this thing, and people from all over the world come. So I was blessed because it's not so much about the flowers. Of course, that beauty is there, but just that environment. You've got the beauty of the flowers, you've got the modernism of Japan, and you've got the old houses there, which are the traditional jo unke hote hai, Japanese houses. So I absolutely love Japan to that extent. And if I'm in Europe, then I love Amsterdam for a city because I love the streets for walking.
The tulip gardens also.
It's beautiful. I mean, it's just a beautiful city. I love Stockholm as a city. Used to be again the water. So I think wherever I look at it, I love the water and the city concept. The combination of the two is a great.
Sir, itna kuch aapke paas, music and guitar and photography. I am just guessing. Were you given an option to choose business as a profession forever, or you chose it yourself, or what was it? Let me take you to Mr. Naveen Munjal at the age of 18, possibly plus or minus 1 year, when you have to make that decision of what to do in life.
At that point, तो ठीक है, स्कूल से निकले हो, college कर रहे हो, you know that you come from a family business, so chances are that you are going to migrate towards a family business.
Right.
But in that sense, I was different. I used to think differently. So I didn't want to follow the beaten path. I didn't want to follow the same path which has been set. I would digress from that path in some shape or form. So the first business that actually I set up, which was the first of this thing, was the BPOs, call centers.
Right.
Way back in 99, 2000. Us time, the whole concept was extremely new.
Yes.
That's when I also introduced electric cycles here, because I said, कि cycles हमारा चल रहा है, motorcycles हमारे चल रहे हैं, and scooters. That business is doing very well. Now a third generation coming in, where are you really going to make a mark for yourself? So I said, okay, let's go into electric, because there is a need for this. And at that point, I was thinking on various factors. Ab wo 20 saal, 20 years hence, there's 2020 vision ho jati hai. But at the same time, wanted to be something different, wanted to create something new. पहले हमने launch किया 2000 में, नहीं चला, 2004 में किया, फिर नहीं चला, फिर 2007 में फिर से launch किया. That's when it really took off. So I've been pursuing this since a very, very long time. काफी देर से मैं हाथ धो के पीछे पड़ा हूँ इलेक्ट्रिक के पीछे. अब आगे a stage where it's becoming mainstream. It's becoming the talk of this thing. And you
are going to be the busiest man in the coming 10 years, sir. I believe in the business that's coming with the electric vehicles in the industry.
Yeah, it's becoming.
So very directly, for example, I give you an option to talk to yourself 20 years back. So आज के Mr. Naveen जो हैं, वो 18 साल के Mr. Naveen से बात कर रहे हैं. What is the one thing that you will tell? See, I'm now proud of this thing. And what is that one thing that you will tell yourself, your version of 18-year-old, that this is what I miss about life, about myself?
See, when I have to think of myself as 18 saal, then I have to go beyond 20 years. It's not just 50. So, this thing. So I have to go a little bit beyond. So let's say I have to go beyond 30 years now and start thinking.
30 years, sir. Right.
One thing that I would, if I had to tell myself at that point, is that I am very happy with what I've done. I mean, I'm satisfied with the journey that I've got so far. I'm very lucky, actually. My family has been extremely supportive. Without, and a lot of people, have asked me questions, do you think it's going to ever work? In fact, a lot of people who had consulted, who we had got as advisors a number of years back, 5, 6, 7 saal pehle, said, you are barking up the wrong tree. Ye galat kar rahe ho. Ye band karo. Get back into the family business and start doing that. I said, no, I don't. I believe in this. This is what I think is going to work. When I asked them now, it's a very different opinion, of course. But so if I were to tell myself when I was 18, I would say, pursue this dream. Once you know what's going to come, pursue it. Pursue it to the hilt. For you to pursue it is one thing. आप तो अपना कुछ कर रहे हो, जी जान लगा के. But to convince others to participate with you on that is another. That's another. I think that's one thing which I'm really happy about and that I'm really proud about. So my dealer network, for that example, the 400-500 log who have trusted their livelihoods on us. The people who come to work with us for the past so many years. I've got a team which goes back 13, 14 years. जब मैं शुरू कर रहा था, वो अपना कुछ छोड़ के आ गए. A lot of youngsters left their jobs which you were doing, which were very, very hardcore conventional jobs. And the interesting part is, when I used to talk to them about even 5-6 years back and say, what do you tell, what happens? And in a town hall, I would ask them, what do you tell your neighbors and your family and everything? Kehte, hum sir, hero mein kaam karte hai, but we don't really tell them what we really do. So I said, okay, you're not so proud of it, but you're here because you believe in the journey. And so they stuck by me. Now I ask them, what do you say? They say, so proudly we say we work in Hero Electric. And I said, what do they say? They say, we are so happy for you. We are so excited. Hame bhi wahan pe koi kaam karwa do, ye karwa, dilwa do, wo dilwa do.
Wow.
It's changed dramatically in the last couple of years. And this is going to only go faster.
I'm sure, so मैं बता तो रहा हूँ, 10 years, you'll be the busiest man in the country for sure. Sir, also one thing that you tell yourself at the age of 18, your 18-year-old version, that यार ये मैं miss करता हूँ.
As you come along, responsibilities बढ़ जाती है. You forget some of the things that you used to do that time. Some of the hobbies you used to have at that point of time. Some of the things you really used to enjoy. Carefree you used to enjoy. And that's why, when this whole lockdown began, and I said, okay, now we're probably going to have time on our hands. Let me start taking up the guitar again, because मैंने 3 सालों से guitar खोली नहीं. उस time खोली थी, अब सब भूल भाल गया हूँ. So those are the kind of things where I miss that. I wouldn't say freedom, because I used to travel extensively. Pre the lockdown, I was traveling probably 10 to 12 days a month. And I used to enjoy that. I was okay with that. I used to enjoy that. अब इतने महीने travel नहीं किया, I'm okay with that also. So I would probably tell myself, कि जो carefree life होती थी, now suddenly you've got the stresses and burdens and the pulls and pushes, not just of your family, but the people who've entrusted their livelihoods to you. So आगे अभी, I would tell myself, enjoy कर लो अभी. The journey is going to be great. You're going to enjoy even going forward. But don't say that, if I grow up, or I wish I had grown up in that. So enjoy every moment. So I would tell myself at that point, just enjoy it. Because, at that time you think, कि अच्छा जब मैं देखो वो उस गाड़ी में जा रहा है और वो ये काम कर रहा है, I wish I was 40 years old and I would be doing this and that. Don't say that. Enjoy that moment, because that moment will never ever come back to you. And so that's what I tell my kids also. Sometimes, my kids kabhi kuch bol deti hai, "Achha, when we grow up," I said, forget it. Don't worry about that. Just enjoy your childhood right now. When you grow up, you do enjoy it at that point of time also. And I'm thoroughly enjoying my life right now. I enjoy the job that I'm doing. I enjoy my hobbies. I enjoy my crazy adventure stuff that I do. I enjoy my photography. I enjoy learning new things. I'm learning new courses right now. So I have no complaints whatsoever. तब भी नहीं थी और अभी भी नहीं है.
Fantastic. Sir, Munjals are typical Punjabis. तो पंजाबियत कितनी है, मतलब घर पे कितनी की तुसी पंजाबी बोलते हो या समझते हो with your kids and with your family around?
Kids don't speak it at all. उनको तो समझ भी नहीं आती. I mean, this thing, so my daughter struggles even, वो हिंदी में to make this thing, and then so if I try to speak Punjabi at home, they make total fun of me, because मेरे को 20 साल हो गए निकले हुए Punjab से. Even before that, I never really lived there. I was in a boarding school all my schooling life. So I've been out of Punjab for a long time. But you can take me out of the man out of Punjab, but you can't take the Punjabi out of the man. So
absolutely.
Punjabi's never really gotten away out of us, but we don't really speak it at home. So I can.
Sir, आप सनार से पढ़े हो ना? If I'm not wrong, the boarding school.
Sanar, yeah.
Sir, वहाँ तो इतने पंजाबीज ये चंडीगढ़ और लुधियाना और यहाँ के होते हैं.
अब है, उस time. So when the time that we were there, उस time limited थे. So अब is different now. Now when I went there, I was surprised to see कि actually it is. पहले हमारा काफी international होता था, because we used to have students from even coming in from the eastern part of India, and we used to have international students coming in, and that's what my whole batch is. वो south से कोई international, कोई वहाँ से कोई वहाँ से है. But now I was surprised when I went in a couple of years back, and इतना मेरे को जो mix था वो नहीं दिखा, but I think वो change हो रहा है.
So your lockdown time was just a couple of more questions and we end this off. Lockdown was a very challenging time. Is also a challenge for all the businesses और अभी आगे के लिए भी. So ऐसी situation में emotionally business एक तरफ है, but emotionally also हर इंसान retrospect करता है. You sit in a corner, maybe there's a time, a day or an hour in a week or 5 days, 7 days. What is that one question that popped up, let's say twice or thrice during the past 3-4 months, that you asked yourself?
So एक चीज when I was looking at, I was very sure कि we have to stay positive.
Mm-hmm.
Because डाउनवर्ड स्पाइरल, आप नेगेटिविटी का अगर आप सोचने से लग जाओ कि वो दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी, ये हो जाएगा, एक मेरे पास चार्ट है which says that can you do anything about it? If you can, why worry? If you can't, then why worry? But because अगर अब उसमें अगर आप प्रॉब्लम है, आप अगर तो सॉल्व कर सकते हो तो सॉल्व करो. If you can't solve it,
then why worry?
To worry about. That's not going to get you anywhere. And that's exactly what I try to follow. So when I was trying to be positive with all our teams, with all our dealers, with everybody, you can't fake it. So you yourself have to be positive. You can't just be कि मैं तो वो बैठ के कुछ और कर रहा हूँ, but I'm saying something different to you. That shows that's not the thing. So you have to truly believe it. When you have to even in our category, in our sector, when you have to sell or when you're doing anything and talking about electric mobility, you can't fake it. This has to come from the heart. This is not something where you can just camouflage and ऊपर से कुछ और कर लो. So how do you stay positive in all of this? Because you don't know your end कहाँ पे है. And you were reading all these conspiracy theories कि ये तो पता नहीं वो जो 1914 में हुआ था, यहाँ पे क्या होएगा, all of that stuff, and the world will change and how many people are going to die, ये वो सारा. In spite of all of that, to stay positive was a very tough one. So I would really sit down and reflect कि ठीक है, ये हो रहा है. Can we do anything about it? Now this is affecting the whole world.
Right.
How is that going to? So positivity and having that sentiment and energies, having positive energy. If you have positive energy, that's what you're going to pass on to the other person. So first तो आपको अपना सही करना पड़ेगा ना system. Because you can't possibly be having negative energies but be saying positive thing. वो तो you'll be able to see through it, no matter even if it's a digital platform. You don't have to be sitting person to person. So how do you remain positive in all of this? How do you keep your teams energized and positive? How do you keep the dealerships positive and energized? And it is tough because अब आपका revenue बनना बंद हो गया, पता नहीं कब आएगा. How do you not fire half your team? Because देखते थे हम कितनी Fortune 500 कंपनीज भी देख रहे थे, हम कितनी बड़ी कंपनीज भी देख रहे थे जो फोर्स मेजोर में जा रही हैं, जो लोगों को निकाल रही हैं. We said we are not doing any of that thing. We are going to stay completely honest with you. I will push it. In fact, the first thing that I did was I said, okay, अगर हम किसी का salary cut होएगा तो 100% मेरा पहले cut होएगा. And I took a 100% salary cut in the process. Because I said, I can't possibly expect you to sacrifice any which way कि जब मैं वहाँ पे आगे सामने नहीं खड़ा. So it was tough. It was challenging. But I'm glad to say that, all of us, my whole team, everybody, मेरी सुबह कॉल 7:30 बजे शुरू हो जाती हैं with my CEO and we start talking, कि अच्छा क्या करना है, क्या होना है सारा. And कई बार मेरी कॉल रात को 10 बजे तक चलती हैं. It's been and my team has stuck by me in that manner.
Sir, तो आप जब इतने लोगों को, your team, your dealers, the whole network, you are that sole person that they come to with, let's say, when they're negative, when there are questions that they want to ask, you are that one source. But अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, is there a figure, is there a person जिससे आप खुद inspiration लेते हो? I'm not talking about, obviously there's a lot of content available, a lot of things that you can read off to stay positive, but is there a person that you look up to, this is the source of positivity that I should imbibe in myself?
See, एक तो ऐसा है कि it's not just me who's doing everything. I have a team who's doing everything. And जब भी हम लोग हमारे भी बात करते हैं, so I'm enabling the team to really remain positive. Of course, I have to push them in that direction. I have to give them that direction. But वो कर रहे हैं. Now, when I look at role models, when I look at this thing, I don't have any single role model. I have many different role models for different things. Because at the end of the day, that person maybe, like for example, I've got Steve Jobs की book पढ़ी है मेरे पास यहाँ पे. Now, he is absolutely a role model when it comes to what he's done with Apple and what he's done with this thing.
Right.
Could I do some of the things that he's done or he used to do? I probably can't. I won't be able to because of the kind of a personality that he was. Extreme. I mean, he's thrown people out of rooms. He used to be extremely abusive. He used to be very strong with people in that manner. That's not my nature. So that way, I would look at some things from him, then I would look at some things from other people. Now, if you look at a person like, for example, Bill Gates, for that matter, who reads, who writes, and who's constantly talking about all of that, who's moved away from an active role at the peak of the company, at the peak of his career. How could he do that? How did he create that whole ecosystem where it's not only individual based? Company wo chal rahi hai without taking it. So I've got various role models that I would look at, both in India and abroad. Aisa nahi hai ki koi this thing I'm only this thing. And not only in tech field, in different fields. You look at, Jack Ma for that matter, how he created that empire, and with minimal education that he had. It wasn't ki bahut zyada education. So it is all about perseverance. It is all about knowing what you want to do and then following it to the hilt. So when you look at any of these, it is all about belief. Believe in yourself. Believe that what you're doing is right, and then pursue it. So like this, I've got numerous role models who I tap into at different times and different stages in my life.
Sir, last minute I'll take of yours. Ye na ek chota sa, because I do the only Punjabi show for Delhi. It's called City Da Gabru with Punjabi music and everything. And तो मैं आपसे थोड़ा सा पंजाबी टेस्ट ना लूं ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. So I have a couple of words, in fact 3 or 4 of them जो मेरे को एकदम से याद आ रहे हैं. मैं चाहता हूं आप उसका मतलब बता दो, मुझे पता चल जाएगा पंजाबी फैक्टर कितना है आपके अंदर अभी.
Okay.
So बहुत इजी स्लैंग है. एक वर्ड हम यूज करते हैं, किद्दां.
Of course I know. Kiddha is how. Ki kiddha, how kiddha hai. So kiddha is how. Yes.
Okay, so how 1-on-1. Super. Second is can't.
Can't used to be a slang that we used to use jab college mein. Can't is great. Or ki, now I can't say why we used to use can't, but it's a great this thing. It's a can't, now let me put it this way, can't motorcycle hai, ya can't scooter, ya can't gaddi.
Fantastic. So it's like, yes. Super. अब थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है सर. ये तीसरा is कुंजियां.
Kunjiyan. Was it corner? Nahi.
Last guess. Kunjiyan is chabiyan, sir. Keys.
Oh, I didn't know this. ये नहीं, कुंजिया नहीं पता मेरे.
Super. One final one. डोरा क्या होता है? ये बहुत पेरेंट्स यूज करते हैं जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं पंजाबी घरों में. डोरा.
Yes, of course. Hard of hearing. सुनाई नहीं देना. बड़े सालों से कई चीजें सुनी नहीं, but rightfully.
Fantastic, sir. Pleasure. I was looking forward to one of the industry stalwarts. मुझे लगा था कि बहुत patience होती है और आप में patience है. Thank you so much. I was a little left out with the technology. Thank you for the patience and a great talk, sir. I so hope that post-COVID, whenever things are normal, you absolutely take the flight when it comes to business and things stay good and healthy with you, sir.
Thank you so much, Yubi. It was a pleasure being here today. I look forward to meeting you very near future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.